Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to activate the always on display feature on this device. So now we can see that the always on display feature is turned off, and if you want to turn it on, we should launch the settings application and then scroll to the display section, then scroll a little bit down and click lock screen preferences. Here you will see the ambient display or always on display section, and just to activate it, click here when to show ambient display and switch, for example, always on. We can also just switch it to smart activation or to when our device is lifted. So now let's just lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully activated always on display feature on our SONY Xperia device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.